안녕하세요, 여러분. 이번 시간은 1장 의학용어의 기본 구조입니다. 자, 그럼 시작하겠습니다.
간염,
hepatitis, hepatitis, hepatitis,
회장 돌창자,
ileum, ileum, ileum,
엉덩뼈 장골,
ileum, ileum, ileum,
요도,
urethra, urethra, urethra,
요관,
ureter, ureter, ureter,
두통,
cephalgia, cephalgia, cephalgia,
안과의사,
ophthalmologist, ophthalmologist, ophthalmologist,
혈액학,
hematology, hematology, hematology,
혈종,
hematoma, hematoma, hematoma,
심전도,
electrocardiogram, electrocardiogram, electrocardiogram,
위,
stomach, stomach, stomach,
위염,
gastritis, gastritis, gastritis,
창자장,
intestine, intestine, intestine,
위장병학,
gastroenterology, gastroenterology, gastroenterology,
하복부의,
hypogastric, hypogastric, hypogastric,
하복부 아랫배,
hypogastrium, hypogastrium, hypogastrium,
명치의 상복부의,
epigastric, epigastric, epigastric,
명치통증 상복부통증,
epigastric pain, epigastric pain, epigastric pain,
샘종 선종,
adenoma, adenoma, adenoma,
샘염 선염,
adenitis, adenitis, adenitis,
관절염,
arthritis, arthritis, arthritis,
생물학,
biology, biology, biology,
생검,
biopsy, biopsy, biopsy,
두검,
autopsy, autopsy, autopsy,
암종,
carcinoma, carcinoma, carcinoma,
심장학 심장병학,
cardiology, cardiology, cardiology,
머리태위,
cephalic presentation, cephalic presentation, cephalic presentation,
두정위 마루점태위,
vertex presentation, vertex presentation, vertex presentation,
어깨태위 견갑이태위,
shoulder presentation, shoulder presentation, shoulder presentation,
얼굴태위 안위,
face presentation, face presentation, face presentation,
볼기태위 두니,
breech presentation, breech presentation, breech presentation,
발태위 조기,
foodling presentation, foodling presentation, foodling presentation,
이마태위 전두위,
brow presentation, brow presentation, brow presentation,
복합태위,
compound presentation, compound presentation, compound presentation,
바닥세포암종 기저세포암종,
basal cell carcinoma, basal cell carcinoma, basal cell carcinoma,
대뇌,
cerebrum, cerebrum, cerebrum,
대뇌이,
cerebral, cerebral, cerebral,
뇌혈관 사고,
cerebrovascular accident, CVA, cerebrovascular accident, CVA, cerebrovascular accident, CVA,
뇌졸중,
stroke, stroke, stroke,
절개,
incision, incision, incision,
절제술,
excision, excision, excision,
포경수술,
circumcision, circumcision, circumcision,
내분비샘 내분비선,
endocrine gland, endocrine gland, endocrine gland,
외분비샘,
exocrine gland, exocrine gland, exocrine gland,
방광경 검사 방광보게 검사,
cystoscopy, cystoscopy, cystoscopy,
방광경 검사기구,
cystoscope, cystoscope, cystoscope,
위내시경 검사,
gastroscopy, gastroscopy, gastroscopy,
세포학 세포검사,
cytology, cytology, cytology,
피부염,
dermatitis, dermatitis, dermatitis,
피부 밑의 PI,
hypodermic, hypodermic, hypodermic,
뇌파도,
electroencephalogram, electroencephalogram, electroencephalogram,
창자염, 장염, 소장염,
enteritis, enteritis, enteritis,
적혈구,
erythrocyte, red blood cell, erythrocyte, red blood cell, erythrocyte, red blood cell,
백혈구,
leukocyte, white blood cell, leukocyte, white blood cell, leukocyte, white blood cell,
혈소판,
platelet, thrombocyte, platelet, thrombocyte, platelet, thrombocyte,
혈장,
plasma, plasma, plasma,
위절제, 위절제술,
gastrectomy, gastrectomy, gastrectomy,
위절개, 위절개술,
gastrotomy, gastrotomy, gastrotomy,
고혈당, 고혈당증,
hyperglycemia, hyperglycemia, hyperglycemia,
당뇨병,
diabetes mellitus, diabetes mellitus, diabetes mellitus,
당뇨,
glycosuria, glycosuria, glycosuria,
진단,
diagnosis, diagnosis, diagnosis,
예후,
prognosis, prognosis, prognosis,
부인과학,
gynecology, gynecology, gynecology,
혈색소, 헤모글로빈,
hemoglobin, hemoglobin, hemoglobin,
의인병, 의원병, 의원성 질환,
iatrogenic disease, iatrogenic disease, iatrogenic disease,
피부과학,
dermatology, dermatology, dermatology,
신장학,
nephrology, nephrology, nephrology,
신경학,
neurology, neurology, neurology,
신경염,
neuritis, neuritis, neuritis,
다발신경염,
polyneuritis, polyneuritis, polyneuritis,
종양학,
oncology, oncology, oncology,
종양 전문의,
oncologist, oncologist, oncologist,
뼈염, 고렴,
osteitis, osteitis, osteitis,
뼈관절염, 골관절염,
osteoarthritis, osteoarthritis, osteoarthritis,
병리학,
pathology, pathology, pathology,
병리학자, 병리의사,
pathologist, pathologist, pathologist,
소아과학의 소아의,
pediatric, pediatric, pediatric,
소아과학, 소아과,
podiatry, pediatrics, podiatry, pediatrics, podiatry, pediatrics,
정형외과 의사,
orthopedist, orthopedist, orthopedist,
심리학,
psychology, psychology, psychology,
정신과 의사,
psychiatrist, psychiatrist, psychiatrist,
정신의학, 정신과학, 정신과,
psychiatry, psychiatry, psychiatry,
생리학,
physiology, physiology, physiology,
영상의학, 방사선과학,
radiology, radiology, radiology,
콩팥이 신장의,
renal, renal, renal,
코염, 비염,
rhinitis, rhinitis, rhinitis,
코성형술,
rhinoplasty, rhinoplasty, rhinoplasty,
콧물, 비루,
rhinorrhea, rhinorrhea, rhinorrhea,
육종, 육종,
sarcoma, sarcoma,
절제, 절제술,
resection, resection, resection,
비뇨기과 의사,
urologist, urologist, urologist,
심정지, 심박동 정지,
cardiac arrest, cardiac arrest, cardiac arrest,
근육통,
myalgia, myalgia, myalgia,
생리통,
menstrual pain, dysmenorrhea, menstrual pain, dysmenorrhea, menstrual pain, dysmenorrhea,
신경이,
neural, neural, neural,
관절통,
arthralgia, arthralgia, arthralgia,
신경통,
neuralgia, neuralgia, neuralgia,
콩팥절제술, 신장절제술,
nephrectomy, nephrectomy, nephrectomy,
백혈병,
leukemia, leukemia, leukemia,
발암물질,
carcinogen, carcinogen, carcinogen,
병원균,
pathogenic organism, pathogenic organism, pathogenic organism,
방광염,
cystitis, cystitis, cystitis,
내분비학,
endocrinology, endocrinology, endocrinology,
간암,
hepatoma, hepatoma, hepatoma,
콩팥증, 신장증,
nephrosis, nephrosis, nephrosis,
백혈구 증가증,
leukocytosis, leukocytosis, leukocytosis,
창자병증, 장병증, 소장병증,
enteropathy, enteropathy, enteropathy,
샘병증, 선병증,
adenopathy, adenopathy, adenopathy,
내시경기구,
endoscope, endoscope, endoscope,
내시경 검사, 내시경술,
endoscopy, endoscopy, endoscopy,
뼈자름술, 절골술,
osteotomy, osteotomy, osteotomy,
대장 내시경 검사,
colonoscopy, colonoscopy, colonoscopy,
빈혈,
anemia, anemia, anemia,
내분비 전문의, 내분비학자,
endocrinologist, endocrinologist, endocrinologist,
표피,
epidermis, epidermis, epidermis,
갑상선항진증, 갑상샘항진증,
hyperthyroidism, hyperthyroidism, hyperthyroidism,
심낭, 심장막,
pericardium, pericardium, pericardium,
전립샘, 전립선,
prostate gland, prostate gland, prostate gland,
심장 뒤,
retrocardiac, retrocardiac, retrocardiac,
간밑이,
subhepatic, subhepatic, subhepatic,
간경유의 경간이,
transhepatic, transhepatic, transhepatic,
느림맥, 서맥,
bradycardia, bradycardia, bradycardia,
빠른맥, 빈맥,
tachycardia, tachycardia, tachycardia.
수고하셨습니다.